We all know that taking care of the environment is important, but do you know saving the environment can go hand in hand with saving some extra cash? Yes, it is possible. By adopting eco-friendly practices, you can easily save money while contributing to a healthier planet.
Subscribe to TimelyBills and hit the bell icon for future videos.
Let's explore some smart tips to save money while leading an eco-friendly lifestyle. 1. Zero waste grocery shopping. Shop at bulk stores with your own reusable containers for items like grains, nuts, and spices. This not only reduces packaging waste, but can also be more cost-effective. 2. Zero waste travel kit. Create a reusable travel kit with a stainless steel water bottle, reusable utensils, a cloth napkin, and a tote bag. This way, you avoid single-use items and save on buying disposable products. 3. Digital subscriptions. Choose digital subscriptions for magazines, newspapers, and entertainment instead of physical copies. This reduces paper waste and costs less than printed copies. 4. Natural cleaning with citrus peels. Use citrus peels soaked in vinegar to create a natural and effective cleaning solution. This reduces the need for store-bought cleaners and repurposes food waste. 5. Energy-generating workouts. Consider investing in gym equipment that generates electricity as you work out, such as stationary bikes with built-in generators. This way, you can save on electricity bills while staying fit. 6. Energy-efficient cooking. Opt for energy-efficient cooking methods such as using a slow cooker, pressure cooker, or toaster oven. These appliances use less energy compared to a conventional oven. 7. Upcycling art. Instead of buying new decor or furniture, transform old items into unique pieces through upcycling. This not only saves money but also reduces waste and promotes creativity. There you have it. Remember, being eco-friendly can put more money back into your pocket. Let's keep up the great work in both saving money and taking care of our beautiful planet. Save money, save the earth. Drop a heart if you found this video helpful. Follow for more tips.